To insert a watermark in Adobe Acrobat, go to Edit PDF, then select Watermark and click on Add. This will allow you to overlay text or images, such as draft or a company logo, onto the PDF. You can adjust the opacity and positioning of the watermark to ensure it doesn't obscure the underlying content, which is useful for branding or version control. For example, let's add a watermark of the word draft to the top left of each page. We'll type it into the text box, set the position top vertical and left horizontal. Then, we'll reduce the font size to 36 and change the font color to red. Then press OK. Here's what this watermark looks like on the document. And here's how it would work if I wanted to add an image watermark. Select the File option, then go to the image you want to use. Now I'll reduce the size by modifying the percentage of absolute scale. And I'll go to Position again at the bottom, and this time set it as top vertical and center horizontal. Then press OK. Here's what this watermark looks like on the document.